everybody, it's Alyssa, and today I am here with my sister, Taylor. This video is me piercing her ears, which, oof, we're recording this after we already did it, but boom, that's what they look like, and it came out really good. So, of course, I filmed me actually piercing her ears because I film every piercing that I do on this channel. But before I get into the actual piercing, I just wanted to show you like what I used and everything like that. So we did go to Claire's, which I know is like, it's Claire's, but they were having a pretty good sale. It was like buy 3 get 3 free.
We saw JoJo Siwa there.
Yeah, and we saw the JoJo Siwa collection and it was banging. So we got the sensitive solutions of just like these Beauty Guru drops it. Of just these normals, like, why can't I speak? Of just these normal sterling silver, and obviously we use those so they're not there. What? Is it normal? I bought these for her to use and she picked the biggest ones, and I picked the sensitive solutions just because her ears will be sensitive because I just stabbed a needle through them. So hopefully these will work good, and I'm gonna use these as well because I have lost almost all of my normal little diamonds. And then I got these, which I thought were really pretty. So it's just like the clear gem, the little pink, and then the purple. I really like these, so I got these too. And then Taylor got these for when she can change. It's just like these little roses, and then one of them has an ear cuff because she really likes the ear cuffs. So we got that. And then I got these really cute pair of glasses, but there's like a really horrible glare, so I'm not wearing them.
And I got a flower crown.
And then she got a flower crown and this little scrunchie that's actually mine, but I put it in her hair. So yeah, that's what we got at Claire's, but I just wanted to show you that these were the earrings that we used to pierce her ears. And then the only 18 gauge needles I had in my little stack of needles that I have in my room were these cannula needles. Cannula. So that's what I used. Honestly, cannula needles are my favorite types. They're the easiest to use, so that's just what I used, but you can use any type of 18 gauge needle, and that's what these were, 18 gauge. And then the jewelry is like 18 or 20 gauge, I'm not sure. But so I hope you guys enjoy me piercing her, and let's get right into the piercing. So this is my setup right here. I have my sterile gloves right here that haven't been opened yet, some alcohol swabs, some cotton balls and cotton swabs, and my cannula needles that are right here. Haven't been opened yet, still, whoa, that was really country. Still sealed and everything. And then I have the earrings that I'm using in some rubbing alcohol, and then I also have some extra rubbing alcohol right here. And then right here I use this little pin to mark where I'm going to pierce. I've used this on all of my piercings, so I honestly have no idea if it's like a good pin that you're supposed to use, but that's what I've done, so. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take a cotton swab, and I'm just going to clean both of her earlobes. Now I'm going to take the pin and I'm going to mark where her piercing's going to be. Okay, now look in the mirror and tell me if they look...
I can't see.
Put your glasses on and look into the mirror.
Mirror, mirror on
and tell me if they look equal to you.
Am I the prettiest woman of them all?
Okay, look at me.
I'm scared.
Wait, no, seriously.
Hey, look, you see my BTS posters in the back? That's gonna get you views.
I also just grabbed my H2 Ocean spray to use afterwards. Okay, I'm going to open my gloves.
Hey, follow me on my Instagram. I make good art. Please follow me. Please don't do cocaine. Cocaine ruins your brain. Please don't do cocaine.
Hey, I have my glovies on, so I'm not going to touch anything other than the needle now.
Don't touch me, I'm sterile.
So I'm going to go ahead and open the needles now. If you stop breathing, like, if I stab you, don't stop breathing, because that's when people pass out because they stop breathing.
Oh, that's cool.
No, it's not.
I've never passed out before.
I have.
A YouTube video, sister passes out on camera, not clickbait.
Sister passes out while giving piercing. Piercing my sister gone wrong.
Just...
Okay, I'm gonna tell you when, okay? I promise I'm not gonna do anything unless you know I'm doing it. So I put a little bit of Vaseline on the needle just so it goes in smoother and it doesn't get stuck or anything. Okay, so I want you to breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. You okay?
No, that hurt.
It really hurt that bad.
Yeah. I have tears in my eyes.
You're okay. Just one more. You got through one.
No.
Turn your head.
Oh man.
Now I'm just gonna thread the jewelry through. It shouldn't hurt.
Is it bleeding?
It's not bleeding.
That was bleeding a little. Oh,
It's okay.
I'm gonna die. Oh man.
I'm putting on another pair of sterile gloves because the last pair got a little bit of blood on them and I didn't want to like put gross blood on her other ear, so.
How you doing? Oh no.
I'm gonna tell you to breathe again, Taylor. Okay.
Wait, it hurts.
I know. Just one more and you're done. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in.
I'm a whammy. That are it.
You like them?
Yeah.
So that was the piercing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. Taylor, how did you feel during that piercing?
It was very painful.
And
I was dying inside.
See, we're the complete opposites. As you guys know, I have a huge high pain tolerance. Like, I barely feel anything when I get pierced, but she got an ear piercing and she almost cried. So that's why she hasn't had an ear piercing. She did have her ears pierced when she was 8 years old, but she didn't take care of them, so she took them out. So hopefully she doesn't do the same thing now, because I'm never gonna pierce her again if she does it again.
Oh, no.
But she was, she did have her ears pierced before, but she didn't. She took them out. So hopefully she keeps them in now because she is 18 instead of 8. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My sister has her own YouTube channel and she also has an Instagram and Twitter, so if you want to follow her, I'll put the link for all of those down below. But until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye.